Mkhonto Gwaza. Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza. Long live President Jacob Zuma, long live. Long live President Jacob Zuma, long live. Viva MK Youth League, viva. Viva MK Women's League, viva. Viva MK Student Movement, viva. Viva MK Military Veterans, viva. Viva Balaphi bendabuko, viva. Viva abafundisi bomkhonto, viva. Viva makhosi wethu, viva. Amandla awethu. Forward to the unity of Mpumalanga province, forward. Forward to the unity of Mpumalanga province, forward. Ngithanda ukunibingelela ma comrade, ngibingelela upresident wethu ubaba uJacob Zuma, ngibingelela amakhosi, ngibingelela abafundisi, ngibingelele abalaphi bendabuko, ngibingelele ama national officials wethu, kanye nePETT esihola nayo, ngibingelele onke ama structures comrades waseMpumalanga. Siyathokoza uba nani comrades namhlanje ukuthi sihlangane kanjena sinobaba wethu upresident.
You know, I've seen the MK party people are fighting, but I've seen lots of people fighting for position, I agree, but not like Mpumalanga province. Mpumalanga province was just a disaster, and in the past few days Jacob Zuma visited them, telling them that they must stop fighting. Simply Jacob Zuma was there to restore law and order. So I want us to talk about that because there are some very important message that he has left there with Umkhonto weSizwe members, and it was so very interesting because that is where now the work began. Remember that Mpumalanga was mostly affected by the exit of Umam Mary Padi. They fired her to be the convener of Mpumalanga. Umkhonto weSizwe appointed Busisiwe Mkhwebane, in which now the province, the Mary Padi supporters rejected Busisiwe Mkhwebane to an extent that not long ago there was a rally in Mpumalanga that was organized by the MK party. She went there to meet the members to celebrate together at the MK party, but as soon as she landed there, she just received a hostile treatment. The Umkhonto weSizwe members rejected her and she had to be chased out. You remember how bad it was in Mpumalanga? just to remind you of how bad Mpumalanga was. But Jacob Zuma urged the party members to remain disciplined and united and respectful during MK Party's proceedings. He called for the members to avoid disruptions and allow discussions to continue. First thing first, he acknowledged that there was a report that was given to him about the problems that exist in that region, in which it is so bad. It was so bad when Jacob Zuma was there. He didn't just come. He first sent his delegation, in which now all the problems that the province had, they had to share now with the delegations that Jacob Zuma has already sent there. So that delegation that he sent, he told them that they must stop the infighting there. He cited that he urged them not to beg anyone or even take sides of anyone or any situation. He also told the members not to lose focus about winning both KZN and Mpumalanga, while they are not governing any province, but members are already fighting for opposition. He then warned the MK Party members, we can't fail to take the province of KwaZulu-Natal and the province of Mpumalanga. And he said that no, we have lost already KwaZulu-Natal, but this time we must just bend our focus so that we focus of winning that.
Nama-comrades abekhuluma lapha ekugcineni abebeka iy'nsizi ney'nkinga esinazo, yitho kufanele ukuba sikulungise konke lokhu. Into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi lama-comrades engiwathumile ukuthi awezela azolungisa la ngoba bekungalungile. Uyabona nje kuba bebengafikanga la ngabe ngisabanga sakheplan. No, please. Sikufunda ukuthi sifuna ukuthatha izwi. Ingakho ngithabezela. Benza into enhle yokuhlangana nani nonke bakhulume nani nonke ngoba sasithiwa kwenjalo. Saphinda sathi uma sebela abangakhulumi bancane nomuntu, akungabi nomuntu abamthandayo nalabanye abangamthandi ngalo, abalungise abafowethu nodadewethu la lelizwe liphile libaluleke kabi. Ukuza kwabo la kunibambe ningayenzi into enye nibanga nje nibanga. Sathi awuphele umbanga, because even ngikhumbula kahle kulolu khetho oludlulile kuse KZN lapho khona I think kwasala abantu angazi abangaka ukuthi sithathe lela ndawo. Esibili ile asikwazi ukuthi kulamazwe awunani hayi ngoba ngithi amazwe engobe wodwa ba awunani amalokuzana lapha ekhaya. Asikwazi ukuthi sesithola ababili ebese siyabanga thina sibanga nje impela nje sikuze kulokhuze phuduka inhlabathi phansi. No, kurong. Ngiyabona kulokuzana odlulile ngokomthetho kwakuyi-KZN nalelizwe. Ngabe manje sithatha kwamanye ukulawa alapha ngaphakathi. Manje asifuni ukubuyela emuva. Okuningi kuyaxoxwa lapha okusisa phambili. Asingakhulumi into ezibhekise emuva. Asingalokothi. Ngoba ile enamandla KZN asikwazi ukuhluleka futhi phinde sihluleke sithathe ngoba sesenze njalo siyathathizwa noma kunyama kubomvu. Asingabangike thina. No, ngcono sizwane sithi manje indlu emnyama iyathatha. Ngijabule kakhulu ke manje ngoba ngithe uma ngibona ibandla leli libeka ukuthi lisebenza kanjani leli bengilithumile nokuthi lifike nenhlonipho lakhuluma lenza konke kahle ukuthi asiyeni phambili. Utheke uma sekukhuluma ama-comrade lawo abefike ezomala ukuthi esho ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani. Ngicishe ngagiya la shale kancane phela cishe ngathi hawu kanti sesiwinile. Into ebekwe ama-comrades la ezokhuluma la uyabona angaze ngizwe into emnandi kangaka. Umlilo ngicishe ngagiya. Okokuqala bathole ithuba lokuzositshela ukuthi sebesebenze kangakanani. Ngithe angifuni ukungena ey'nkulumeni ngoba zizwakele zifakiwe elokhuzweni kulaba abalalelayo nabafakayo. So ngithola ithuba zoxoxa nezinto ey'xoxwe abaningi. Ngizofisa ukuthi singangeni kulokho kwamanje. Okwamanje ake singene kulokho ukuthi sizokwenza kanjani ukuthi siwine ngamalengiso.
To me, it seems like Jacob Zuma understood the mission to say that in order for the MK party to make some progress, they will have to resolve their internal matters, because a lot of comrades were angry, a lot of comrades were still bitter about the Mary Party situation. And Jacob Zuma just saw that, no, first thing first, I must clean my house there so that we'll have momentum in Mpumalanga. I bet the convener in Mpumalanga, she's very happy because it seems like now members are coming together to support her. And you can leave your comment on the section below, and don't forget that you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel. Let us hear what your take on Jacob Zuma's speech to say that stop fighting, you members, you fight a lot, and that is not our mission. Let us meet on the next video, and I'm out.